Well, hello, and welcome back to another video from God Bless the Keg Publishing, LLC. And I am John Hausleben. I am the owner, managing member, photographer, flagship author, chief cook and bottle washer, and also the chief radio operator at amateur radio station Whiskey Alpha 2 Alpha Sierra, Quebec. And today, we haven't done a video in a bit. Been really busy with a lot of projects, photography, and writing some new books. But today, we'd like to focus on this amazing vintage 1990 Ten-Tec Corsair II radio, which right after Christmas of this past year, I decided to change the shack up a little bit. You know, variety, kind of the spice of life type thing. And we are in an apartment here, and we're kind of limited to what we can do. But we do operate QRP only, and we have a lot of fun with if you look at our past videos, we have a lot of fun with our rain gutter downspout antenna and some crazy wires we run around here to keep it as stealth as possible. But right after Christmas, I got the bug to bring my old Ten-Tec out of the storage, and here she is. And as you can see, it's pretty much mint. I do have the VFO. I'm not using it at this time. So we have our keyer, our hand key. We have a Yaesu up here in 891. We have our little QDX digital rig here. We have the Zactec Whisper transmitter. These are kind of featured in some other videos. Our keyer and a tuner. We have the old reliable, the old MFJ here. But look at this beautiful Ten-Tec. Used a lot of rigs in my time. I'm old now, been licensed since 1970. I only operate CW or the digital modes on that little guy there, but use a lot of rigs. I mean, I guess we all have that if we've been in this hobby for a long time. But this Ten-Tec Corsair II, if you're a CW guy, in my opinion, it's the most amazing CW rig ever made. It's just something about how the code just pops out of the noise. And this guy is vintage. When I took it out of the box, we had a little issue with the LED. It hadn't been fired up in about 2 years, so took it apart. It's just very simple. We had to clean some contacts on the output board. Very easy fix. Many years ago, I rebuilt the PTO because they do have an issue with the grease getting hard, and the PTO will drift and everything will sound wonky. It's kind of a difficult repair. In one of my former lives, I was a TV radio technician, so I'm really good at melting solder, so to speak, and other than my eyeballs being a little weaker, I'm good at it. So not the kind of repair you want to tackle unless you're really confident in your hand skills. But unfortunately, Ten-Tec is as far as I can tell, I researched it this week before doing this video. It seems like they're sort of kind of still around, but not around. I don't know. It's very sad. Sevierville, Tennessee is definitely gone, but repairs are kind of, unless you go to Independent Tech. But let me turn this up a bit. And of course, I don't know how the audio is here on this. We're on 10 meters here. But you can see the PTO is smooth as silk. Can't find a strong station right now. A little bit of noise this afternoon on my rain gutter downspout, but this rig has all the filters installed, and she's a beauty. giving it a test ride and having a lot of fun with it. I might get it on the air in the ARRL DX contest in a couple weeks. You are easily able with the drive to set it down to QRP power, 5 watts, not a problem. I have the digital here, and I also use the MFJ. So there it is, in my opinion, the best CW rig ever made. I'm sure everybody has their own opinion. It's like music, it's subjective, but she works like a charm. Having a lot of fun tuning around the bands, bringing it out of the box. Upstairs, I have a Drake TR7, a really nice old vintage rig too. So it's kind of nice to play with these old rigs. And this guy here, I bought it. I want to say from Berghardt Radio Sales, and I think they were in South Dakota or North Dakota, one of the others. I think it was South Dakota, and I bought it around 1990. So there you go. What a radio. Still perfect. Working like a charm after a little bit of maintenance on it. Oh, there's a good signal. We put the filter in. There you go. Ten-Tec Corsair II. Boy, if you could find one on eBay or find one on wherever, don't hesitate to pick it up. Even if it's got the PTO issue, you could find a buddy or somebody to repair it. And there you go. I'm very proud of it. Mine is not for sale at any price. I'll keep this rig and pass it on to my loved ones. Hey, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time. And we appreciate all the comments and thumbs up or thumbs down or whatever you decide to give us. Hey, we'll see you next time. Da-da-da-da-da-da.